We've had a Toyota 86 floating around the workshop for quite a while now, I think circa 3 months or so. And this car came in for a Toyota Racing Le Man inspired livery. So it was going to get vinyl and decals all over the car. It's going to look really unique, something different that you're not going to see every day. We got to the point where we're about to install all the vinyl on the car and we noticed a lot of imperfections in the paint. So things like dust nibs, clear coat that wasn't fully on there. And we basically thought, what if we go and we install all the vinyl on this car and then it comes out and it just doesn't look right because of the paint underneath? Now, apparently this car had been in a bit of a showdown with someone else and there was an accident and it had some panels resprayed under insurance or something like that. And the job just wasn't done correctly. You know, we've all seen those sort of high volume work being pumped out that doesn't come out right. And this car just wasn't up to our standard that we wanted to deliver for Lachlan. So after a really long saga with a couple of different businesses around, we had to get the car up on a tow truck and it went off to a shop. It got repainted, took a few weeks, and of course once the car was repainted it was looking pretty good, but there's a 6 to 8 week outgassing period where you can't install vinyl because the paint hasn't fully hardened, it hasn't fully bonded to the car yet, so there's a risk of paint peeling off. If you put vinyl on and then you go to adjust something, it can come right off with that adhesive, and then obviously you've got to respray that panel anyway. So we had to hold on to the car for that period of time and just wait for everything to happen, and we've just finished it. It's looking amazing and Lachlan's going to be here to see it really shortly. So I am finally here. It's the moment for Lachlan to see his car. Now Lachlan, we've done quite a few things with the 86.
Yeah.
You originally came to us, you wanted to get a livery inspired by the Le Man Toyota Racing livery.
Yep.
And you've made some changes based on what you liked and brands that you really kind of vibe with. And we've also done the wheels. They've gone satin black. Calipers went gloss red. They've also got some decals on there. We removed your front splitter and changed that with a Flow Designs one, which is looking really clean. Removed some side skirts. It's been a big transformation. It's been a really big experience, big journey for both of us.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so how's it been for you?
Oh, I mean, the customer service that you guys have done pretty much for me the entire time has been like outstanding. Like you've always kept up pretty much up to date with me. For example, from the time that it came back here, from the panel beater to the time that it was coming off the tow truck, to the time it was in the shop, to the time you kept me up to date pretty much with everything. And no other shop that I know would do something like that as much as WrapArt and Car Detail Empire combined and Fixie Room would do for me. So I appreciate everyone's help that you've done to make this creation basically come true. I'm so excited to be driving this around and go, yep, that's my car. This is not anyone else's car, it's my baby. I am so excited for this. You have no idea that this is like one of the biggest dreams I've had is wrapping a car. So, oh my, oh, wow. Oh my God, it's come out
Awesome.
amazing. Like, I don't have words right now. I have nothing.
That's fantastic, man. That's what I want to hear. That's awesome.
And the carbon mirrors just give it such a nice touch as well.
Yeah.
It freaking looks like a full-on race car. It's amazing. And like the placement is so good too. I have no words. Like this is just insane.